Hey. We are finishing the octopus scalopus, guys. So make sure to subscribe and I'll hit 3,000 subscribers, 2,000 subscribers. Actually, I don't know. Well, let me check. Well, okay, we're out of the game. I've been watching some Pungi's videos, and that pun gives me ages. So, I have 20 subscribers on my YouTube account. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, beat the previous one? Super snacks. What? Sharks? Sharks? No way, it's gonna be sharks. I saw that, and he got bit me. He got bit me. He bit me. Okay, nuts. He didn't hurt me from what between? I got like another lot. Well, wait, 182. Give me up. What? What? Sharks! No! 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 Give me. Yeah. Oh! I can move sharks, but don't move them with their. No! Well, we just gotta wait. Give me some of these people right now. I just wanted to be. Oh, come on, are you not entertained? You know we can eat the sharks. Okay. Oh, I forgot to call giant sharks to eat scuba divers. For scuba snacks. Give me that scuba diver shark. Oh, we got a 2 and 1. Well, this is like. We are 2 meters now. We are 3 meters in length, everybody. That's okay. Are we in online Spain? Wait! We can eat the boat. We got a half star or 2. Of course, okay. Octopi the ocean? What? You start from a tail of an octopus. Well, this is what you're gonna do. Okay, be careful not to touch any of the fish. Wait, can the fish hurt me? Let's check. I gave a pun. No, they can't hurt me. I am feeling very brave. Well, what's up there? Oh, cans, how? To even eat, okay. Can we eat this can? No, I can't eat the can yet, come on. Okay, we just gotta eat the giant pop cans, okay? Are these? Okay, I like to eat this. Because I know they look like candies. Yeah, now we can eat the candy. Okay, Okay. Hey, you any bottle caps? I don't know why we're here. Well, I'm not gonna say this. We are playing grounded here. What? Oh! Dude, I could eat this thing. No, be gone. Yeah, I got it 2-1. 3.74 centimeters. Well, we started off with millimeters, I think. I don't know, we are microscopic because we're just a tiny octopus and we eat stuff. Yes, golf balls, and we're eating the whole head races. Give me that, and give me that. Oh! Oh, we got bigger fish than that fish. Uh-oh, we are in a trap. Give me this all. Oh. Oh no. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Get wrapper. Give me this and give me this and give me those. Give me this and give me this. Whichever fish. Okay, can I push this around? Whichever giant fish. I think the lionfish, okay, or tiger fish, whatever they are. What? I think they're tiger fish. Give that. Oh! Do I could eat this thing? Okay. What the okay, candy wrappers. I mean, what in the world is happening to my dream? Is that a dream? What? Oh, right. We just gotta eat. You still gotta eat. Wait, we can eat them and the beer bottles and the six-pack rings. How's that possible? To eat six-pack rings. Whoa, whoa. Watch out for the boobies. I think no. I think we're big enough to eat these guys soon. Well, wait. What's this over there? Six-pack rings. Watch out for the giant fish. Tiger fish. Wait, are these tiny tiger fish because they have stripes? Like a tiger. Are these tiger fish? I think they look like a me. What? Oh, yeah, now we can use them. Lionfish? I thought that was a tiger. Can we eat the boobies yet? Okay, I can't. We can't eat them yet. Okay, what's on the other side? Whoa, popcorn. Coffee cups. Giant fish. Watch out for the giant fish. I told you. We never got in hit in a while. We just gotta get that 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, 4 star, 5 star. I don't know. There's no 4 star or 5 star or 100 star. Stuff. These pinks cannot go underwater. So can we just eat these boys yet? The birds could no. We can't eat them yet. Yes. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. 2 more. Boing. Boing. Two and one, no. And two and one. Two and one. No. I still got a ways to go. Okay. How about like this? Okay, we are a good tracker. Okay, yes. Come on, I got a 2-1. Okay, now's my prize. Now's my prize. Now watch out with the bigger fish. Yes, give it up. Parrotfish. Stop with the bigger animal fish. I don't know any of these fish. They look like tiger fish. I mean lionfish, or what are they? Birdfish. They are birds of fish. They are birds and fish. Whoa! Octopi the ocean is the greatest. And okay, so whatever those things. So every time we go around, they yes. Oh, we can eat those. Okay, now we can eat the lion. Get to eat the lionfish. They're so tiny. Watch out for the bigger sharks. Yes, now we can eat the scuba divers or bigger fish. Okay, mermaids or monster fish. Yes, here you go. Oh, and my dessert. I don't care if this is my dessert. Give me that. Ouch. You'll never make it okay. Help! We are surrounded by sharks. I can't come over you like a shark. Yeah, I'm an octopus and I can eat everything. And what about... Stop! I am an octopus. And sharks don't eat octopus until they sting their oil. Okay. What happened to the octopuses? Oh, phew. Rhinos are going extinct like a rhino fish. Okay, what are groupers? I thought they were called rhino fish, rockfish, or other sea creatures, but it's a grouper. A a fish. That's a sign of a harass. As long as people find no. Right, when I okay, so I could say when I said don't get hit, I just got hit by the giant shark. Guys, we are going to eat these later. As of right now, we are going to eat a lot of stuff. Okay. Okay. We got a whale shark. We got some people going around here. Watch out for the whale shark. Now we're eating the old walruses. Haha, you can never defeat me. Okay, I'm gonna defeat you any second. Okay, so we gotta eat more people. Tiger sharks! That was my favorite food! Oh my god! Oh, come on. Now we can eat hard car husks. I thought that was the whale shark. Wait, just a second. These are big. Okay, give me that. Shark family. Okay, what? Oh. Can I eat a helicopter yet? Stop! Can I eat a helicopter yet? I want to eat an helicopter. I just want to eat that helicopter says. Come on. I just want to eat that. Oh my god, we are too high up. I just wanted to see if I can climb onto this thing. Oh, come on. Oh, this is good enough for me to jump on it. No. Oh, here you go. No. I I kind of wanted some more people. Oh, right. Oh, this is high enough? Yeah? Oh, come on. I just wanted to hop on board. Come on. I just wanted to see if it was unacceptable. I just wanted to see. I just brought him in the water. He just drowned. He'll never just drown. Come on. Let me eat those helicopters. Come on. I just wanted to eat. I just wanted to eat the tiger. Get more peach fish. Well, I wanted to eat more fish. Can I just have the... Give me the tiger shark. Okay, so can I just... Oh, that sounds new. Amphibian's helicopter. Do that. We are so quick. We can't eat these boats yet, so we gotta be bigger. We gotta be a little bit bigger. Oh. Dive boats! I wanna eat the dive boats. Wait. Wait, you like that dive boats? Yes, now we can eat the whale shark chicken. This is perfect. What can we eat now? Palm trees, giant palm trees. Let me eat a few more of these and let's go ahead and finish. Okay, so can we just eat these? No. We're gonna need more helicopters and boats. Let me eat more fish. Now we can eat them. There were 2 trees left. How do you crazy? More seal ship containers and more whale sharks until I'm going to give me those sharks. Oh. Uh-oh, we are trapped. We are trapped with 17 minutes of hibernation. Well, I think what you need was very, very, very long. 13. If you are new, why would you say that? Wait, oh my god. What? Hot air balloons. We are 60 meters. Did you see what I saw? Ships? Wait. No! Something shot me and... Whoa! Yeah. Okay. So glad they didn't shoot their bullets at me. Can I eat those buildings yet? Yes. What are those? Okay. Okay. Whoa. Okay, no. What? There were no whale sharks left? You know we ate the whole entire... Yes. Now I thought I could eat this. I was too perfect. Oh, now we need more submarines? I never saw the missiles, yes. Container ships. That's what they're called. No. Oh my god. I cannot eat the garbage yet. Now the garbage ships are gone and the submarines are gone and just a lot more and we'll be getting there. The full resorts are now empty. Whoa! 113? That's a lot. Oh, what? Oh, that was so close. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you get another 20 subscribers on my account. So, see you later, and I'll peace out.